Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Carnival Horizon. This is Family Harbor Aft Extended View Balcony Cabin number 2499. Let's go inside and have a look. So as we walk inside this cabin, the first thing that you're going to notice is that the decor does not match the typical Carnival colors. That's because this is a Family Harbor cabin, and it's decorated in a nice little nautical red and blue. As you can see here, we've got the beds. You have two options for the beds aboard the Carnival Horizon. You can either have them separated as two twin beds or pushed together, as you see here, as a single king-size bed. There's also a nice little sofa here. It pulls out into a bed, about a twin-size bed, small twin-size bed for a third passenger if you're traveling with young children. As we continue our look around the room here, got a couple of nice nightstands with some lamps. Common complaint that we've heard about the Carnival Horizon is that there is no outlet available near the bedside. All of the outlets are going to be on the vanity. Now, as I continue panning around here, you'll notice a 32-inch television, much larger than what you find on most Carnival ships or cruise ships in general, but a very nice size at the end of the bed for a cruise ship anyway. I've got a little desk here with a little stool, trash can below. So you can see I've already had some water delivered from the fun shops that I pre-ordered online in advance of the cruise. And you'll also find the only two 120 volt outlets in the room, as well as a European outlet. But the two 120 volt outlets that you'll be using are back on the desk. Down below, we have a refrigerator here, a little mini bar refrigerator. If I open it up here, you'll notice that it's no longer Carnival stopped stocking these refrigerators a couple of years ago, and now it's just there for your bottled water or anything that you might order from the fun shops. I've got some closets here to show you. Our first one here has just got a couple of nice little shelves above. A little safe, not big enough for a laptop, but probably large enough for an iPad or certainly your passport and any other valuables that you might have. And then we've got another shelf and 3 drawers down below for storage. Opening up the other 2 closets here, you'll notice we've got a little half-height closet in the center with some storage down below for luggage or something else. And then you've got a full-height storage closet for dresses or whatever. And because this is a Family Harbor cabin, it comes complete with a red and blue robe, very Dr. Seuss-ish colors. It's not an actual Dr. Seuss themed room, it's just Family Harbor, but we do have the Dr. Seuss colors in the robes. Panning around here back to the bathroom, I open the door here. We've got our shower head here with our shower gel and shampoo. Pretty Carnival standard, nothing special there. Standard Carnival shower, toilet, got some towels, nice little makeup mirror, and a full-length mirror as well. Still have some drinking glasses in the room, and a nice blue vanity similar to what you've seen in the other Carnival bathrooms. Just outside of the bathroom here, as I close this door, you're going to notice the thermostat on the wall. Unlike the other Carnival ships, the Carnival Horizon and Carnival Vista do have this nice little digital thermostat as opposed to the knob on the vent in the center of the room that you may have seen previously. Also have our room service breakfast menu here. You hang it on the door and breakfast will be delivered the following morning. There's that air conditioning vent that I talked about previously. That's where you used to adjust the temperature of the room, but now it is just where your air conditioning will come into the room. Back over here, we're going to walk past the bed. You got a nice little window here, and then the door out to our aft extended balcony. As we head outside here, we are in the Port of Miami right now, as you can see there in the background, and it is a little noisy out here, so I do apologize. Out here on the balcony, I have 3 chairs and a table as opposed to the 2 chairs that you would find on a typical Carnival balcony, so there is a little bit of extra seating out here. And then it's the depth, not sure if you can tell here on video, but the depth of the balcony is significantly deeper as well. It does end at the railing, but we do have a little bit of extra space before you get to the aft of the ship. So it is kind of a little bit of a block view if you're looking down at the water line, but I'm sure that is for safety and the seagoing ability of the vessel. The Carnival Vista does not have these cabins. These would be porthole or windows that would be on the aft of the ship instead, so these balconies are new. Glory dock right behind us. As I pan around here, you're going to notice one other thing that's unique about this cabin. $24.99 has this little extra space back here. The cabin balcony is just a little bit larger. It's not really useful space. Maybe they could add a chase lounger or something in the future. But right now, this is what it looks like. And you'll notice here for heavy seas, they do have the ability to put a bulkhead door, close a bulkhead door and lock it here. So if you're in heavy seas, your balcony may not be available. And not that you would want it to be. As we come back inside, we will be concluding our room tour. One last pan around the room here. You can see our bright, colorful Family Harbor room decor. Love this new little piece of artwork, this photography print here. It's nice and colorful. And pan around the room one more time. There's the door. As you'll notice, I didn't point out before, but as is common on all of the newer Carnival ships, you do have to insert your card to turn on the lights, so there is that. But panning back around one more time here, you got that wonderful aft view out through the window, or at least it will be wonderful, and the Carnival Glory is not blocking our view. The bed and the sofa, and that is it. I'm going to go upstairs and have some lunch. It is the first day of the cruise, the embarkation day, so I'm going to go upstairs and grab something to eat, and I will see you all in a bit.